We are going to learn how to set up SSH keys in Azure Git and also how to set up a Java project in Azure Git as well. Okay, so if you look at this diagram, okay, I already have my repo created in Azure DevOps, right? So that is our Azure DevOps dashboard. That is this one you see here. You already have a repo created. This does not have anything, it just has only the readme file. Okay, and what we are going to do is we are going to use one of our local machine to create SSH keys and then configure the keys in Azure Git. Once we do that, we should be able to clone the repository from here into our local machine, and then we should be able to contribute to this particular repository, right? So that is what we are going to do. Okay, and these are the steps. Okay, and we're gonna walk through that steps shortly. That's what we would be doing. Awesome. So guys, this is my website, coachdevops.com. I will be posting the link right below the video as well. Great. So if you look at the prerequisites, like I mentioned, I already have a project set up. So this is the Azure DevOps dashboard. We already have repo created. Git client install on our local machine, right? So I'm going to use my MacBook in order to create keys and then upload the keys to connect with Azure repo. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. Okay, awesome. Let's get started here. So I need to go to my repo here. Okay, so this is my repo. So click on clone and click on SSH, and you click on manage SSH keys. So this is where we are going to upload our key. So click on new key, right? So this is where we need to create SSH keys and then upload that SSH keys over here. Okay, so I'm going to go to my local machine and then execute this command. Okay, let me overwrite my key. Okay, so now SSH keys has been created, and then I'm going to view that key. Okay, so this is my SSH public key. I'm going to copy that, put that over here, and then I'm going to say my local key and then say add. Okay, so we were successfully able to upload the SSH keys into Azure Git. Now what I can do is I should be able to clone the repo, right? Okay, so let me go to clone, click on SSH, and then you copy this link. You see here, you have to copy this link and then go to your local machine, right, or the source machine, where you have created SSH keys, and then what you can do is you can perform this command, okay, and say yes. Now we were able to clone it here, right? And then you can view that also. How you can view it? Say ls minus al. This is the one, November 24. Okay, so then you can go inside your repository. Okay, and as you can see, I only have readme file here, right? So basically what we were able to do is we were successfully able to clone the repo locally. Now the next step is to create a Maven project. Okay, so I'm going to use this command in order to create a Java project. Okay, so right now it is in the process of creating a Java project. Wow, it is already completed. Okay, so this is our project, right? And what I wanted to do, I want to first do a git status. Okay, so this is the project, right? So I want to check in this project, okay, into Azure repo, right? So how do I do that? I need to first perform git add command, and then if you say git status, you see here now my files are staged, right? They are ready to be committed, and then I'm going to say git commit. I'm going to say my first project setup in Azure Git. You can give any commit message, and then I'm going to say git push. Okay, it says done. If I go to Azure repo here, either you can refresh or click on the commits. Wow, see here, now we are able to see our source code, right? So basically what we had done is, as you can see in this diagram, right, we created a repo. We already had this repo, okay, already created. All we did is we just created keys in our local machine, and then we were able to upload that key, the public key, into Azure Git, and then we did clone the repo locally, and then I used Maven command in order to create a Java project, and then we were able to upload that Java project successfully into Azure Git or Azure repo, right? So yeah, so that's it guys, that's how you would set up. Thank you for watching.